Now students, we are doing the continuation part of percentage exercise 39, sum number 30. Now it is a bit different because you have not yet done sums like this. 60% of boys of a school play football and rest of them plays cricket. So here about sports it is written that in a school there are boys, 60% of the boys they are playing football. The number is not given but the percentage is given. That means if total number of student is 100%, then 60% are boys who are playing football and the rest play cricket. If there are 160 cricket players, so the number of cricket players are exactly told in the question. In the school, find the total number of boys of the school and the number of football players. So there are two parts of the question. First you have to find total number of boys in the school and number of football players. So how we will begin? First of all, with the information given we will start. Percentage of boys playing football is equal to 60%. Now if out of the total 100%, 60% plays football and the rest are playing cricket. So rest means, therefore percentage of boys playing cricket we can find out very easily. That will be equal to total is 100% minus 60% is playing football and the rest, that means 40%, they are playing cricket. Now this here it is given in percentage. That means if there are percentage means out of 100. If there are 100 boys, as if 40 are playing cricket. But this is not the actual number. It only gives you a relational information. If there are 100 students, then 40 are playing cricket. But actually how many cricket players, that is also told. That is 160. So we will use this information. So 40% of the boys, they are the cricket players and the number is also provided. It is 160. Now here we will try to do the unitary method. 1% means, so 1% is less. That's why we will divide 1% of boys of the entire or the totality 100% will be less. So 160 divided by 40. So it is 4. That means 1% of the boys means only 4 boys. Therefore, we have to find the total number of boys in the school. So therefore, total number of boys, that means the 100%, total means 100%. We can write either 100% or we can directly write total number of boys equal to. So total will be obviously more, or 100% will be obviously more. So we need to multiply 1%. If it is 4 boys, then 100% will be more. So we will multiply with 100. That means there are 400 boys totally in the school. So first part answer we have got. Now we have to find the second part. Find the number of football players. Now we already know that 60% are football players. So therefore, number of boys who are football players will be equal to 60% of the total, and we already know the total number of boys is 400. So if you just find this, you have approached to the answer. So 60% of 400 means 60 by 100. We are changing the percentage sign, so it is becoming 60 by 100. Of means into 400. Now just cancel the two zeros top bottom. So 60 into 4, that means 240 boys are playing football. So this is the second part of the answer. So the first part, total number of boys, is this, and the second part, number of football players, is 240. Now this sum is a bit different because here the percentage playing football information is given. Just check the question. And the number of cricket player is given. So it will be confusing you. But how we have arrived at, how we have started answering it? If 60% are football players, that means and rest are cricket. So 100, if it is the total 100%, minus 60%, 40% will be the cricket players. And after getting this information, we will use it. 40% of boys are football players. Sorry, cricket players. And the number is also given, exact number. So whether 40% of the total boys we find out, that will give us the number of football cricket players. Similarly, here the answer is also told to you. So we will equate both and we will use unitary method. So 1% of the boys means it will be less. If the total is 100%, if 40% means 160 boys, 1% will be obviously less. So 160 by 40. 160 divided by 40 we have done. So there are 4 boys. Therefore, total number of boys or 100% of boys, we need to find the total number. So from this relation we are arriving. So 100% will be much more than 1%. So we need to multiply. If the required value is more, we multiply. So 4 into 100 gives us 400. So total boys, it indicates there are 400 boys in the school. Now we will find number of football players. The percentage of football players is given 60% of the total. Now total number of boys also we have found out. So second part becomes very easy. 60% of 400 are football players, and we are just solving this by changing the percentage into fraction. 60 by 100. You know, by dividing with 100 you change it into fraction. Of means multiply. The total number of students is 400, giving you 240 as the result. Now you will practice all these question numbers which are specifically done in class as well as in the videos.